Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I will show you how to delete Genshin Impact account by using your Android mobile. At same time this trick also works for iOS and PC users. So anyway, let's go to our tutorial. So very simple method is just click to access this MiGoYo official website. And it asks for the login processes. So just complete it. And it shows me MiGoYo account information. So if you want to know the Genshin Impact login devices, just press this horizontal 3 lines icon and go to login devices. And here I install this Genshin Impact from these following devices. So at same time, if you want to delete this Genshin Impact account from all devices, just press that horizontal lines icon. So now this time you can go to account security settings and scroll down, and finally I get the one option called delete account. So just press on it and they show the some instructions. So once you read it and then press next option. So during this account delete process they verify your identity by sending the verification code. So next I try to check my Gmail inbox and this is that code. So just copy it and go back to the MiGoYo account section. So here you can paste that copied code and click to next. So finally one more time they show the some instructions, so you can read carefully, but here I does not press this OK option because due to this YouTube video making I did not press this option. So anyway, if this trick works for you, just leave a one like. So otherwise just put your valuable comments. So for more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.